Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own motivational videos for YouTube, step by step. This is one of the biggest niches on YouTube right now, and it's been trending for years. But many channels in this space have run into problems with copyright. They used voices, music, or footage from famous people without permission, and their videos ended up demonetized. That's why in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make motivational videos that are completely unique and 100% safe for monetization. In this video, I'll guide you through the whole process, starting with scripting, then moving into voiceover, and finally combining everything with visuals to make your videos stand out. The most important thing I want you to know is that you can do it all yourself. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create high-quality motivational content that not only inspires your audience, but also helps you grow a faceless YouTube channel step by step.
If you want to be wealthy and happy the rest of your life, just learn this lesson well. Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. I have found in my experience that income does not far exceed personal development. Now, sometimes income takes a lucky jump, but sure enough, unless you grow out where it is, it'll usually come back where you are. Life has strange ways. If somebody hands you a $1 million best, you become a millionaire quickly. So you get to keep the money, otherwise, sure enough, it'll disappear. Somebody once said, if you took all the money in the world, divided it up equally among everybody, it would soon all be back in the same pockets. Success is something you attract, not something you pursue. So instead of going after it, you work on your self-personal development, because true happiness is not contained in what you get. Happiness is contained in what you become.
To create a motivational video like this, it's actually super easy once you know the process. I can guarantee that for most beginners, it feels really hard to make something high quality using just YouTube automation. But for me, making a video like this isn't difficult at all when you have the right tools. High quality images, a strong script from ChatGPT, and the right workflow. With my image to video skills and experience, creating content like this doesn't take much time. Now, let me explain. For most channels, even the big ones, the key is to focus on the first 1 to 2 minutes of highly engaging content that hooks your audience. After that, you can apply automation, and right now it can be done with very little effort. So first, let's open ChatGPT and I'll show you how to create the script. You can use my custom prompt. Just insert your topic and you're ready to go. In this prompt, I've already added instructions like do not include timestamps or stage directions, and don't write narrator or similar labels. I include these because I don't want them in my output. This comes from my own experience making tutorials, so I tell the AI exactly what I don't want right inside the prompt. You'll also notice instructions like keep the tone inspiring, uplifting, and emotionally engaging. Use vivid language, sprinkle in rhetorical questions, and write short, impactful sentences that immediately grab attention. After you submit it, you'll get exactly the kind of script I used in the demo, nothing hidden. Once I have the script, I move on to the voiceover. For this, I use 11 Labs. The voice you heard in my demo came directly from there. On the left menu, I click Voices to go to the voice library. If you want premium voices, you'll need at least the minimum paid plan. But if you want to stick with free voices, just use the default ones. In the Explore feature, I click Filters to narrow results. I usually pick English for the language, social media for category, male for gender, and middle-aged for age range. After applying the filters, I test as many voices as possible. In my case, I ended up using Motivational Coach, Leader. For the settings, I keep things at default, but I recommend increasing both stability and similarity to above 70% for more consistent results. Then in the text-to-speech box, I paste my script and click Generate. Just like that, my voiceover is ready. The last step is cleaning the audio in Audacity. This is important, so don't skip it. I import the audio, go to the Effect menu, then Special, then Truncate Silence. I usually set it to 0.6 seconds. This isn't a fixed value. It depends on your script, niche, and voice style. Once I apply it, I export the audio back to my computer. It's very quick, simple, and it's completely free. Next, let's move on to step 2. In this step, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate the images for your motivational video. Just like with the script, you'll see the full process from start to finish. For image generation, I use a detailed prompt. It might look long at first, but once you understand how it works, it's actually very simple. At the start of the prompt, I tell ChatGPT, generate 20 highly creative prompts for producing cinematic, visually striking images to be used as motivational content for YouTube. After that, I add specific style requirements. For example, I often include themes like inspiration, strength, success, or personal growth. Once that's ready, I hit submit, and ChatGPT instantly gives me 20 prompts. For this demo, I'll show you just 2 of them. First, let's copy the first prompt and paste it back into the ChatGPT thread with the prefix create wide image. You'll need to wait around 20 to 40 seconds for each image to generate. Now let's test another prompt. We'll do the exact same steps in the same thread. I'll speed up this part of the video so you can see the images appear quickly. Always remember to experiment with more prompts and try different styles until you find the visuals that perfectly match your vision. You can generate as many images as you want, but the thing is, you have to wait image after image, and that takes a lot of time. That's why I'm building a tool that automates the whole process. It works with ChatGPT Plus and can type and submit prompts just like a human, without you needing to touch anything. You simply let it run 24/7, and it will generate up to 6,000 images for you. Normally, that would cost more than $350 if you use the OpenAI API key. But with my tool, it's totally free using just ChatGPT Plus. Pretty insane, right? After I generate all my images, the next step is to add video footage to make the final video more engaging. This is very important because a high-quality motivational video should never feel like just a slideshow of static images. By adding real footage or animating the AI images, you make your content more trustworthy and immersive. When I'm choosing images, I always go for the ones that are easiest to animate. Things like rain, thunderstorms, or snow. These kinds of visuals already have natural motion built into them, which makes it much easier for AI tools to create smooth and realistic movement. On the other hand, I avoid images that are packed with too many elements, since those can be much harder to animate smoothly. Once I have all my images and video clips ready, I bring everything together with my voiceover in CapCut. It's really nothing complicated, especially if you've already checked out my other editing tutorials. I'll give you a quick look here, but I won't dive into too much detail in this video since I believe you can easily handle this part on your own. And that's pretty much the full process. By joining my community, you'll unlock over 5 hours of courses, all my Python scripts, and my complete AI automation workflow, plus access to the free image generation tool I mentioned, which gives you up to 6,000 images every month at no cost. I guarantee this is the best faceless and AI content community you'll find. And here's my promise. If you can find a better or cheaper method, I'll give you your money back. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.